In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover and navbar effect in Webflow. We'll create a simple, reliable hover effect so your site's navbar changes appearance when someone moves their cursor over it. This is a great way to add feedback and polish without using any custom code. Start by heading to your Webflow dashboard where all your sites live. From there, open the project you want to edit in the Webflow Designer. This takes you straight into the visual editor where you can work on the layout and styles. Once you're in the designer, click on your navbar on the canvas to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see its blue outline and the element label. If multiple elements are stacked, make sure you have the overall navbar component selected rather than a link or a brand element inside it, since we want the hover to apply to the entire navbar. Now move to the right-hand styles panel. At the top, you'll see the selector area with a small drop-down that lets you choose a state. Open that drop-down and choose hover. This is important. Anything you style while the hover state is active will only appear when someone hovers over the navbar. It keeps your default design intact while adding the hover look on top. Scroll to the background section of the Styles panel. Here you'll control how the navbar's background looks on hover. Click the color swatch to open the color picker. Choose a color that matches your brand and provides enough contrast with your logo and links. For a subtle effect, consider a slightly darker or lighter shade of your default navbar color. You can adjust opacity if you want a translucent look, which helps keep the page content visible beneath the navbar. As you pick your color, keep an eye on readability. If your navbar contains light text, a darker hover background usually works best, and vice versa. This is a quick way to make the hover state feel intentional and accessible. When you're happy with the color, it's time to preview. Use Webflow's preview mode and move your cursor over the navbar. You should see the background change exactly as you set it. If the change feels too strong or too subtle, exit preview and fine-tune the color in the same background section while the hover state is still active. A small adjustment often makes a big difference, and that's it. You opened your project, selected the navbar, switched to the hover state, set a background color, and previewed the result. You now have a clean, effective hover effect on your navbar in Webflow.